Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to share or how to get or what is amount average of the hashtags that you can use on on TikTok. And if we open up the browser right here, it says 3 to 5. How many hashtags should I use on TikTok? There isn't a strict limit on the number of hashtags you can use, but since there is a caption character limit, use hashtags wisely. They recommend, or right, this site recommends 3 to 5 relevant hashtags, so you can still have the space to write engaging TikTok captions, right? So if you went right here and read thoroughly about this article right here, and hashtags on TikTok work just like they do on other platforms like Instagram and Twitter. And adding certain hashtag to a video will make the content discoverable when someone searches for the hashtag, right? So basically, make sure that you write or create a hashtag that is relevant to your content, right? Whether it was cooking, video editing, whatever it might be, just go ahead and make it relevant to your content. They will discover it, but if you want to get more engaging, like followers, interactions like commenting and whatnot, there are high likely chances that if you add a relevant relevant hashtag to your captions, you will get even more chance or likely to have more chance than the irrelevant ones, right? So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.